How to create a campfire cooking in Roblox Studio. Create a meat item. Name it Meat. Design the meat as desired. In the meat, add a tag named Meat. Added a drag detector to allow players to drag meat. Added a proximity prompt to allow players to eat the meat. It is recommended to set the clickable prompt to false to prevent players from accidentally eating the meat while dragging it. Add a script to server script service. Writing the script. This script makes tagged meat items damage players if raw and heal them if cooked. Getting collection service. This allows the script to find objects using tags instead of folders. Settings, damage, and heal values. Damage if player eats raw meat, and health restored if meat is cooked. This function prepares each meat item. Add cooked value. Finds the proximity prompt inside the meat. When a player presses the proximity prompt key, make sure the player has a character and humanoid. If meat is raw, player takes damage. If meat is cooked, player heals. Removes the meat after use. Makes it a one-time consumable item. Finds all objects tagged Meat. Runs setup Meat on each. Listens for new objects tagged Meat. Automatically prepares them. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. When you click on the meat, you won't accidentally eat it by selecting clickable prompt as false. You must press the E key as specified to eat the meat. It's raw meat. If you eat it and your health decreases, it means you did it correctly. Let's make a campfire to cook the meat. Create a part. This is where, if the player drags meat into it, it will cook. Make it transparent. Set Can Collide to false. Set Anchor to true. Name the campfire. Add a script to the campfire. Writing the script. This script cooks raw meat when it touches the fire by changing its cooked value. Get the fire part. Detect when something touches the fire. If the object is meat, find the cooked value. Makes sure the cooked value exists and the meat is currently raw. Then, sets cooked to true and changes the meat's color to brown. The meat is cooked and ready to eat. Duplicate the meat into 2 pieces for testing. If the script works, you can come back and further customize your game. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.